Hi friends, this is Aditi from Jasmine DIY. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my apartment complex. So this is my apartment complex park, and you see there's like flowers and it's all green here, and we usually come out here like after school and bike around a lot, and sometimes we play ball and they like just go in that leaf area and it looks good. So yeah, and let me take you to the flowers, and it's just like a mini flower place. Like they grow flowers there, and then yeah, and it's like so this is the flowers, and you see how pretty these colors are, and I really like it, but the problem here is they have really big thorns and they're really pokey, so I don't really usually come here and do anything. So this is the big middle circle, and this is where usually people sit and talk, and these have pretty flowers too, but these ones are not really thorny and those ones were. And this is where like the most of the water when it rains goes all there, and then it gets jammed, and yeah, that's the middle circle. And yeah, so as you see, there's a lot of buildings around the park, and yeah, and some of the buildings are like 3-floored and 2-floored, and as you see, it's really windy right now, and the buildings are not really big, like they're only like 3 blocks tall, and yeah, they're like mostly trees covering them, like that one, like the trees are covering that, so I can't really like show you. And then come on here, guys, there's like those bushes inside them, they're like the AC like and the fan motor, so like that's where they hide it so nobody likes it, like that one right there. And yeah, this is all the buildings, and yeah, let's go to the small park.